Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started. In this video, we break down the top 5 best carpet cleaner machine you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best carpet cleaner machine on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best carpet cleaner machine are you currently using? And which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Carpet Cleaner. If you're looking for a compact yet effective carpet and upholstery cleaner, this model is a fantastic choice that combines ease of use with excellent cleaning capabilities. The Little Green Pet Deluxe delivers impressive results on various surfaces. Its strong suction and cleaning tools quickly lift stains and odors, particularly those caused by pets. The machine's portability makes it easy to use in hard-to-reach areas like stairs, furniture crevices, and car interiors. While effective, it's worth noting that the power cord and hose are relatively short, which might require repositioning during use. The noise level is moderate, and the unit can be a bit bulky for some users to store despite its portable designation. Compatible with Bissell's pet-safe cleaning solutions, which are environmentally friendly and effective, includes tools specifically designed to handle pet messes, such as the 3-inch Tough Stain tool and the HydroRinse self-cleaning tool to keep the machine clean. Lightweight and easy to carry with an ergonomic handle, perfect for quick cleanups around the home or in the car, effectively removes embedded dirt, pet stains, and spills with ease, leaving surfaces refreshed and clean. Features separate clean and dirty water tanks. Our second best carpet cleaner machine is Hoover SmartWash Plus Automatic Carpet Cleaner Machine. If you're looking for a carpet cleaner that offers ease, efficiency, and results that rival professional cleaning services, the Hoover SmartWash Plus is a top contender. Automatically dispenses the perfect amount of cleaning solution and water during the cleaning process. Push forward to clean and pull back to dry. A truly effortless experience. Deep cleaning brushes effectively lift dirt, pet hair, and tough stains embedded in carpet fibers for a thorough clean. Built-in heat force technology accelerates drying time, leaving carpets ready to use in a fraction of the time compared to traditional carpet cleaners. Comes with a hose and tools for upholstery, stairs, and hard-to-reach areas, making it versatile beyond just carpet cleaning. The removable brush roll and nozzle allow for quick cleaning and maintenance, ensuring the machine stays in top condition. Separate clean and dirty water tanks with a generous capacity ensure you can clean larger areas without frequent refilling or emptying. The SmartWash Plus delivers an exceptional cleaning experience. Its automatic features simplify the process, making it easy to use for beginners while providing professional-grade results. It pairs perfectly with Hoover carpet cleaning solutions for optimal performance, leaving carpets looking and smelling fresh. The drying mode is especially impressive, significantly reducing waiting time for carpets to dry. Number 3 in our list is Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Pet Carpet Cleaner. If you're looking for a powerful carpet cleaner that handles pet messes with ease and leaves your home spotless, the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam is an excellent choice. Separate clean and dirty water tanks reduce interruptions, allowing you to clean larger areas in one go. Comes with Bissell's premium cleaning solutions that enhance its performance and leave your home smelling fresh. Includes a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool that removes hair, odors, and stains from furniture, stairs, and other soft surfaces, catering specifically to pet-related cleaning challenges. lightweight for an upright cleaner with easy maneuverability and intuitive controls for effortless use. Offers multiple cleaning modes to suit various surfaces and mess types, ensuring optimal performance for different cleaning needs. Combines the power of steam and water extraction to deeply penetrate carpet fibers, breaking down tough stains, pet messes, and embedded dirt. The Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Pet Carpet Cleaner 3432 is a game-changing addition to the world of home carpet cleaning. With its innovative HydroSteam technology, this upright deep cleaner offers powerful performance tailored for pet owners and households in need of heavy-duty cleaning. Its thoughtful design, versatility, and included tools make it a standout choice for maintaining a pristine home environment. The Bissell Revolution HydroSteam truly excels in cleaning power. The HydroSteam technology delivers an impressive deep. Fourth recommendation in our side is Shark Carpet Cleaner Machine. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish portable cleaner, the Shark Stain Striker is a solid choice to keep your home looking and smelling fresh. Detachable tanks for clean and dirty water simplify the refilling and cleaning process, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Includes 3 specialized tools for handling various surfaces and messes, from pet hair to deep stains on couches or carpets. Comes with 2 cleaning solutions tailored for stain and odor removal, ensuring powerful cleaning right out of the box. Designed to effectively remove pet hair, odors, and stubborn pet stains, making it ideal for pet owners. Burgundy color adds a touch of elegance to a functional appliance, blending into home decor more easily than typical cleaning machines. The Shark Stain Striker delivers excellent spot cleaning performance. It effectively lifts stains and neutralizes odors from carpets and upholstery. The suction power is strong, enabling quick drying after cleaning. The included cleaning solutions work well, though their compatibility with other brands may be limited. The tools provided are versatile and user-friendly, allowing you to adapt to different surfaces and mess types. However, the machine's tank capacity may require frequent refills during extended cleaning sessions, and the power cord length could be improved for better reach. Its pet-friendly features, portable design, and versatile tools make it a great addition to any household, especially those with pets or frequent spills. Last in our top 5 best carpet cleaner machine list is Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner Machine. If you're looking for an affordable, powerful carpet cleaner that's easy to use and great for pet owners, the Hoover PowerDash Pet is a top contender. The PowerDash features Hoover's PowerSpin Pet Brush Roll, which lifts and removes dirt, debris, and pet hair from deep within carpet fibers, leaving your carpets looking fresh and clean. This feature accelerates drying time, allowing your carpets to dry faster after cleaning, which is especially useful for homes with pets or children. Equipped with a 0.5-gallon clean water tank and a 0.4-gallon dirty water tank, you can clean large areas without frequently stopping to empty or refill. Simple controls make it easy for anyone to operate, and the machine is user-friendly with no complicated setup. Weighing in at just under 13 pounds, the PowerDash is lightweight, making it easy to carry, maneuver, and store in small spaces. The brush roll is designed to be gentle yet effective on pet hair and stubborn stains, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner delivers impressive results considering its lightweight design.